Hi, my name is David Kawada. I'm the founder and CEO of Docitt, and for over 20 years, I've originated mortgages and helped countless families and agents, just like you, create wealth through the American dream of buying a home. Docitt offers a white-labeled digital mortgage experience that makes lending simpler, smarter, and safer. Because we know no one wants a mortgage, they want a home. And today's brokers' challenges face unqualified shoppers wasting your agent's time, buyers' affordability are keeping them on the sidelines, and your profits are down because your attachment rates are low. We are offering a digital mortgage experience from the point of search to settlement. And to get that consumer into the digital experience, we want to have an on-demand pre-qualification letter from your in-house lender. So now your agents can know before they show, and that pre-qualification is going to enable the consumer to have a personalized home search based upon their affordability. So we can match their expectations and reality. And with Docitt, we're going to provide an optimization engine to provide them the insights and prescribe an actionable decision so they can buy more. And all doing this to increase your revenues per transaction by removing the friction in the experience. So let's start with an on-demand pre-qualification. This enables your agents to be able to be in control of the experience to verify credit, employment, income, and assets. So if they want to send off an offer at Sunday night, they don't have to chase a loan officer and get someone else to help them do their job. So they're empowered. It also helps the buyer to have clarity and confidence of what they can actually qualify for without additional salespeople confusing the process. So pre-qual should happen at the pace of life, not on banker's hours. And by having the privilege of pre-qualifying that consumer and getting that intent, we now can provide a visual indicator of what a consumer can actually close on. So green properties, they could close on today. A yellow property, they're going to need some work on their credit application. Red properties, they can't close that transaction as is. So we want to turn those yellow properties into green properties by turning those no's into yeses and yeses into bigger yeses by Docitt looking at the consumer's credit and optimizing their purchasing power. How do we do that? Well, let's meet Bob and Mary. Bob and Mary want to buy a home. They make about $115,000 a year. They have $1,250 of current debts, and they've saved up $20,000 for a down payment. So they could qualify for about $310,000 purchase with an overall monthly payment after close of $3,100. Today, we call that an approved and as-is scenario. But if Docitt go ahead and looks at their current debts, refinance their student loans, auto debts, lower their $1,250 payments to $721, we could reallocate that obligation, those cash flow, into a bigger mortgage. And that increases the purchasing power from $310,000 to $400,000. I think that could turn a renter into a buyer. And what happens is that monthly payment afterwards, $3,100 for Bob and Mary, it's the same. What this does for your agents is increase their purchasing power by about 29%, or effectively going from zero to something because it turns a renter into a buyer because they can say yes. How do we do that? We actually approve Bob and Mary for other loan products in the same mortgage experience. We'll allow Bob and Mary control what and how much they want to optimize their application. We fund the new loans in the same experience, and in 5 to 7 working days after a rapid rescore, we have a new credit profile that we could fund off of. We do this in all one digital experience, so it makes it much harder for the consumer to leave your experience. So your in-house lender has the advantage of being the first to pre-qualify, have a loan program and scenario that no one else has, and effectively be able to create all the unified experience. So it makes it super easy from point of search to settlement by having your mortgage companies, your insurance companies, your escrow officers in one digital experience. We want to make your brokerage more money by eliminating the people, the paper, and the pain from the loan process. And so your agents can focus on what matters to them, the buyer. My name is David Kawada. I'm proud to be a part of the Modern Passport. We're looking for pilot partners that would want to be able to support your customers, the agents, to win in this new marketplace. Thank you very much. Have a great day.